Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to handle substitutions and out of stock items in your Instacart order. Let's get started. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. First, set your substitutions preferences. When adding an item to your cart, tap on the item you want. Now look for a replacement option. You can choose allow substitutions, choose a specific replacement or refund if available. This tells the shopper exactly what you want. Next, during shopping, watch for notifications. If an item is out of stock, the shopper may suggest a replacement. You'll get a message in the app. Open the message and review the option. You can accept the replacement, choose a different one or ask for a refund. Status shows in the app. Now let's talk about special instruction. You can leave a note like only organic, same brand only, or do not replace. Village instruction help the shopper make better choice for you. If you are not available during shopping, the shopper will follow your set preferences. That's why setting them early is important. And that's it. That's how to handle substitutions and out of stock items in your Instacart order. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.